I'm going to be sharing with you my top lipsticks for fall and winter. So if you would like to see what all my top picks are and lip swatches, please keep watching. So let's come in a little closer. Let's get closer. Let's get up close and personal. I wanted to do this video because I've been doing a lip series here on my channel. I'll try to make a playlist if I don't have one and link that below. And someone requested in my last one that I do a top lippies for fall and winter, or maybe it was just fall, but I kind of group lipsticks and lip glosses and lip products into categories like spring and summer and fall and winter, though I'm the type of girl that will pull out a bright neon lip in the fall and winter time. That's just how I am. So yeah, let's quickly get started because I have probably about 10 lipsticks to show you, maybe even more. The first one I want to talk about is actually on my lips, and this has to be my favorite nude for fall. It is more of a warm brown nude. It also is a really nice formula because it's moisturizing. It's not matte at all, so it's not your typical look right now, but I love it. I think it works for a great array of skin tones. I first saw this on Makeup Shayla and I had to go out and purchase it. Now the only con about this is that it melts and it gets stuck in the tube. This is Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the color Chai, and as you can see, the tube is all messed up. It's like smashed up against the side of it, but it's a really beautiful color. The formulation is amazing, and I love that it's a darker nude because in the fall and winter time, a lot of us lose our summer tan and we just get a little more pale, and it's just really nice to have a color that's a nude that just awakens your complexion. So that is why I really love this nude. Another honorable mention that I cannot find for the life of me, and I'm probably going to have to repurchase it, is Huda Beauty Trendsetter, I believe. It's a beautiful nude, a warm nude, but it's a liquid lipstick, so it is matte. It's almost like the same color as this, but a different formulation, and I love that one as well. So this is probably my top nude for fall and winter, and this is Smashbox Chai, and I am in love with it. Okay, this is my second lip color, and I know you guys are probably like, what the hell? I love this lip color. This is MAC's Viva Glam Rihanna 2. It's a frost color, and with the right makeup and the right look, like I would wear this with like a black motorcycle jacket, like a leather skirt, maybe some fishnets, some cute booties or heels. Like, this looks so beautiful. It is a very different type of vibe. It's definitely like a taupe colored. If I can find the tutorial that I did featuring this lip years ago, I will link it down below. I love it. You could use it as a topper on top of another lipstick, but it's definitely a striking color, and I don't know. This is like your badass fall color. Like, ooh, I just love it. I'm definitely into different types of lipsticks. I don't always go for your traditional colors, and this is one of them that I really appreciate, but I know it's definitely not going to be everyone's cup of tea. It's a frost, so it's not going to give you full opacity on the lips. It's hydrating enough. It's not going to feel tight or anything because it's not a matte color, but I really love it. It's one of the MAC lipsticks that I love most. So this is Viva Glam Rihanna 2, and this was a limited edition color, but if you Google it, you might be able to find some similar shades that aren't limited edition. Okay, this is our next lipstick. This is the Nars Audacious in the color Anita. This is my favorite pink for all seasons. It's just so comfortable on the lips. This is one of my top formulations of lipsticks of all times. It's opaque, it's hydrating, it's comfortable, it's just beautiful, it's long wearing. I love it. It's a pink that's not too bright, not too deep. You could always warm it up with a brown lip liner. You could top it with a gloss. It's just everything. It has a little bit of shine to it, so it's not matte. I just can't say enough about it. I love it. The Nars Audacious lipsticks are amazing, and this is a very wearable pink that I think would work for a lot of different skin tones. Pinks are kind of hard for me. People that are lighter than me can look nice in shades that I don't look like, and also people that are darker than me can look nice in shades that I don't look nice with. So I think it's all about finding the perfect pink undertone for your skin tone. And to me, this is it. It's kind of a cool pink, but it's not too cool toned. I love it. This is Nars Anita. Okay, this is my next lipstick. This is MAC Whirl, and it is a matte formulation, and it's matte, but it's very comfortable on the lips. It does have a powdery feel, and it does look matte, but it doesn't feel drying on the lips, so I really do like that. Now this is a nude, but this is like a deeper nude, so I think this works for the fall and winter. Once again, I try to go for colors that won't make me look so stark. This is a perfect nude that you could wear without a lip liner, although I do think they make Whirl in a lip liner as well. But I just love this. It's the perfect darker nude, works with a ton of skin tones. You can always pair it with a different colored lip liner and change the tone of it a little. I just love it. MAC lipsticks, their matte formulations are really nice, as well as their satins. Those are my favorite formulations. So this is right up my alley, and I just love it. It's just a perfect nude. It's a little darker, but it's also a little more cool toned, and it just looks really pretty. This is MAC's Whirl. Okay, this is the next color. This is Viva Beauty matte cream lipstick in the color Juniper, and this was from the Frozen Berries collection. It's looking a lot like a pink, but it's actually like a purple. I do love Viva Beauty's formulation because it's creamy, it's hydrating. They're also very pigmented. You get full color opacity in like one layer. I really like it. They are a bit shiny though, so when I'm looking for something a little more bold, I wouldn't go for Viva Beauty, just because even the matte formulations, they just look shiny. Like this is matte, right? Yeah, it's matte, but it's definitely shiny. Like you can see the shine on my lips. It's like a cross between a pink and a purple. I love it when I'm not doing a lot with the rest of my face. It's perfect for fall. Another color that's an honorable mention, which I can't find right now either, is Pat McGrath's pink. I believe it's called Full On Panic, and it's a beautiful, striking, super matte but super comfortable pink on the lips. I will annotate that here. You guys have seen it on my channel. I included it in the favorite pink lipstick segment, and I just love it. But this is another great one, and it's definitely a berry tone. I just wish it were a little more matte, but it's still a beautiful color nonetheless. And this is Juniper by Viva Beauty. It was limited edition, but like I said, with the other limited edition color, you might be able to Google it and find a similar color, but any like berry tone lipstick would work. Oh, I just live for a good berry in the fall. I would pair this with any color outfit. I live for a good berry. The first red that I'm going to share with you guys is probably my favorite formulation ever. You guys know what it is. It's Pat McGrath. Her Mattetrance lipsticks are amazing. They're so comfortable on the lips. They're so opaque. They're so matte. They are just everything. The only con about them is that they are expensive. They are about $38, which is like my max for a lipstick. So I try to get them when they are on sale, but they are my favorite, hands down, lipstick formula of all time. Packaging is so beautiful, and this is none other than Elson. This is color 003. This is like her famous red shade. Now I included it in here because right now it's probably my favorite red, because in the winter time sometimes I don't like a liquid lipstick. I do have other liquid lipsticks that are in red that I like a bit more, but I wanted to include one that was a regular lipstick formula. It's not my favorite shade just because I'm used to something a little more bright, but when I wear it, people like it, and I do like it. I love the color. It's just not my absolute favorite, but it's my favorite in terms of being just a pure lipstick formulation. So this is Elson. I really do like it. It's a blue based red, but not too blue, not too bright. It's like a middle of the road red. My mother loves this color. I think I need to get this for her because she'll never buy it for herself, but it's definitely a great color. I think this is probably her most popular color, a red. I feel like everyone lives for a good red in the fall and winter, and this is definitely one for me. So this is Pat McGrath's Elson, and it is perfect in terms of formula. My next red is going to be another Nars Audacious, and this is in the shade Jeanne, and I love this. This is like an oxblood burgundy color. Once again, it's not matte. It has a little bit of shine to it, but it's beautiful. It's very long lasting, just like the other Nars Audacious lipstick, and the tone is just perfect. I just live for a good shade of red in the fall and winter. I love wearing this shade once again with minimal makeup with all black. It just looks so nice. It's a very deep color. On camera it's looking maybe a tad bit more bright, but really nice burgundy oxblood color that is just like everything in terms of formula. This is my favorite burgundy lipstick in my collection. And yeah, I can't say anything else about it, but this is Jeanne from the Audacious collection. And I do know that all the shades from Audacious, the line of lipsticks from Nars, they're not sold everywhere. I think I purchased this one from either Nordstrom or Sephora years ago, but just do an internet search of Nars Jeanne and you should be able to find it. It is just, it's beautiful. Love a good oxblood. Yes, we do. You got to show me. Dun, 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 dun. Our next shade is Kat Von D's Poe. And baby, this color just, it gives me life. I love a good striking blue. I don't know, blue is definitely not for the faint of heart. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but honey, I live for a good blue. Once again, just an all black sexy outfit and a blue lip. It's totally gonna like come as a surprise to everyone, but it's fabulous. This is Poe. Now on camera it's looking a bit more bright. In person it's a little darker. I think it has some shimmer in it. I love this shade. I'm not sure if Kat Von D has it in her liquid lipstick line, but this is one of my favorite shades to wear around Halloween because it's Poe. I believe it was named after Edgar Allan Poe, and I just think it's perfect for Halloween because I don't really dress up for Halloween, nor do I go out, but I will put on a good Halloween beat, and this is one that I love for this time of year. It's definitely a shade in my collection that doesn't get too much love just because it is so different, and it's not one that I'm really drawn to, but in October and November, you will definitely see me rocking this lip. This is Poe, and she is gorgeous. I believe I also did a tutorial featuring Poe many years ago, and I will link that down below. This is Poe. Next color I have is a chocolate brown, and you guys, a chocolate brown is one of my favorite colors for fall and winter, honestly all year round, because I love the juxtaposition of a chocolate brown with a bright lip. And my battery's dying, so let me quickly finish this. This is BH Cosmetics Missy Lynn. I believe the color is Missy Lynn. This was limited edition, but any chocolate brown is great. This is a matte color, so it's not going to move on your lips. It's creamy, but it stays, and I love it. It just, oh, it's like a neutral. I mean, clearly brown is a neutral, but it's something that I would wear with any color in my wardrobe. It looks really nice when I'm wearing yellows and reds, and I just live for a good brown lip. It's just totally perfect. So if you haven't tried out a brown and you're into nudes, definitely try out a deep chocolate brown. You can find them from various brands, but I love this one the best. I'm sorry it is limited edition, but I had to include it because it really is one of my favorites, and this is Missy Lynn. Ooh! You guys, I forgot how much I love this lip gloss. Yes, this is a lip gloss. So our next color is Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lip Gloss and Iced Out. I don't even know what to say. This just gives me so much life. She's giving face. She's giving just... I don't even know what to say, you guys. I love this lip gloss. Once again, this is a blue. It's a metallic blue. It's very striking. It's not going to be for the faint of heart, but if you love a good bold lippy, try this out. I'm gonna keep this on my vanity because I need to wear this soon. Like this weekend, I'm wearing this. It's hot. It's everything. I don't know what else to say. It's saying everything you need to know. It's beautiful. It's everything. It's giving you a look. I don't know what else to say. Iced Out by Smashbox. She's an it girl. Comfortable on the lips. It is sticky, but that's good because you want it to last. I haven't worn this shade in a long time, but it is definitely a favorite of mine just because it's so unique. I love my good unique shades, and baby, she is just... she's everything. Smashbox Iced Out. Okay, and our last lippy is a liquid lipstick. I had two that I wanted to include, but I decided to just do one because this really is one of my favorites. And this is Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Project Chimps. Once again, I'm so sorry, it was a limited edition shade, but they did bring it back once, so maybe they'll bring it back again, or maybe it's even back for good. I'm not sure. You could Google this and find something similar. It's basically a matte brick red in a liquid lipstick formulation. I love it. I think it's so pretty. It goes with a number of outfits. It's a red, but it's like a red that leans more towards a terracotta and a more neutral red. So once again, I would wear this with any color. I just think it looks so beautiful, and I love having a red that's a little bit different, if you know what I mean. So this is Kat Von D's Project Chimps, and I'm in love. Okay guys, so those were all of my favorite lipsticks for fall and winter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My lips are kind of feeling a bit dry now, but it was all worth it because I do love doing these videos for you guys, because lipsticks are probably my favorite makeup item to wear. I also think lipsticks are great because they're a makeup item that everyone pretty much wears if you're into makeup. Well, either it's a lip gloss or a lipstick or something like that. I think they're also very wearable makeup items, and they're not too expensive either. So if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.